Located in the instrument cluster, this gauge indicates the approximate fuel level in the tank. This light comes on when the fuel level is low. Refuel as soon as practical. You'll see an arrow next to the fuel pump icon that indicates on which side of your vehicle the fuel filler door is located. To open the fuel filler door, simply exit the vehicle and pull the lid open. To remove the cap, turn it counterclockwise. Hang the cap's tether strap in the holder on the fuel filler door while you are refueling. After fueling, turn the cap clockwise until a single click is heard, indicating that it is locked in place. Then close the fuel filler door securely. Failure to properly tighten the fuel filler cap may cause the loose fuel cap warning message to appear. It may take a few driving trips for the message to be displayed. If this occurs, exit the vehicle and reinsert the fuel filler cap straight into the fuel filler tube. Turn the fuel filler cap clockwise and tighten until a single click is heard. Continue to drive the vehicle. The light should turn off after a few driving trips. Failure to properly tighten the fuel filler cap after the loose fuel cap warning message is displayed may cause the malfunction indicator light to illuminate. If the light does not turn off after a few driving trips, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.